parking at Jefferson just got easier. The new Jefferson parking garage is located at 657 South 2nd Street in downtown Louisville, with the main entrance and exit located off 2nd Street. The garage features approximately 500 parking spaces across 4 levels, giving students and employees convenient, sheltered parking options in the heart of our downtown campus. Access is simple. Students and employees will enter the garage using their Jefferson parking permit. Reserved parking on level 1 is for employees and accessible parking. Because of its centralized location, the garage is expected to fill up on most days. If you're planning to park here, arriving early is the best way to secure a spot. The garage is open Monday through Friday from 6:30 a.m. to 10:30 p.m. The new Jefferson parking garage is designed to make getting to campus easier, so you can spend less time searching for parking and more time focusing on what matters most.